Welcome farmers to day number 27, and today we will be looking at your market decides your final profit. By day 27, birds are already close to market yield. If you don't know who you're selling to, what weight they want, and when you want the birds, you risk feeding extra days for no reward. And let's look at a couple of points to go through to expound on this thought. Not all markets want big birds. Different buyers want 1.6 to 1.8 kilogram birds. Some want 2 kilogram birds. Some want live birds versus dressed birds. Feeding past the target weight increases feed cost and doesn't increase the price. Each extra day adds cost, adds stress, and adds risk. More days does not mean more profit. Number 3. Delayed sales increases your losses. Holding birds longer increases mortality risk, heat stress, food problems, overstocking pressure, and late sales, quietly reducing your margins. Number 4. Smart farmers sell in batches. Selling heavier birds first reduces overcrowding, and it improves remaining birds' growth, and it improves airflow and comfort, which ultimately results in this protects your uniformity and the health of your birds. Profit is planned and not hoped for. The best farmers plan buyers early, match feeding to the market, and also sell on time. That's when the profits come from your timing and not from you being desperate or in a panic. How does this affect you? Is that poor market planning leads to extra feed costs because your chickens will stay longer and eat more. Lower profits per bird. Why? Is because sometimes you'll be spending more money on feed, but that's not the way people want. Stress related losses, because there will be mortality as the birds grow older and bigger. So what do we do on day number 27 as farmers? We confirm the buyer's requirements, we weigh our sample birds, we calculate daily feed costs, we start planning our selling dates, and we prepare for partial harvesting. So in a single thought, feeding past your market weight results in losses. Now I've created a Broiler Gem booklet for you to download, which will help and expound on you making sure that you maximize your profits on the date of selling, and also help you make more money per cycle. The link will be in the description, and I'll see you on day number 28.